Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit ringtone for iPhone. Here are the steps to edit a ringtone for iPhone using GarageBand. First is to open the GarageBand app on your iPhone. Tap the plus or create new project and choose audio recorder. Tap the tracks view icon. It looks like several horizontal lines to open the editing area. Tap the loop icon in the top right to import your song. Select Files, and then tap Browse Items from the Files app. Find and select your song, must be downloaded or saved in files. DRM protected songs can't be used. Drag the imported song onto the timeline. Trim the song by dragging the edges to select up to 30 seconds. That's the ringtone limit. Zoom in or play the clip to find the exact start and end points you want. When done, tap the down arrow in the top left and choose My Songs. Long press your project file, then tap Share, then Ringtone. Name your ringtone and tap Export, then choose Use Sound As to set it as your default ringtone or assign it to a contact. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.